Lisa, and this is Mandy, and we're here with Specialty Wellness located in the Colony. And today we're going to talk all about liquid gold, also known as PRP. PRP stands for platelet-rich plasma, which is an amazing treatment that is natural for anti-aging. It helps stimulate collagen, elastin, helps with fine lines, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation. So today we're going to talk all about the natural beauties of PRP. So Mandy, kind of tell us what the process is of the PRP.
So it's pretty simple, right? We're using the person's blood and plasma, and then I draw their blood, and then we spin it. Luckily, we have a really good PRP machine. It's super fast. It only takes like 3 minutes. So we put the blood in here, and then we spin it for 3 minutes, and then it comes out separated. So you get the liquid gold at the top, your plasma, and then it puts all the blood at the bottom. And so we draw this up, and then that is what you get to either insert into the skin, scalp, or you can apply it topically as well.
So we call it liquid gold because this liquid gold is full of growth factors, which are going to stimulate collagen and elastin, help with skin laxity, help tighten the skin, helps with scars, acne scars, hyperpigmentation. So it truly is nature's liquid gold because it's coming from your own body. There's no chance of any kind of reaction or allergy or anything like that because it's your own body's growth factors that you're already naturally producing. And then we're injecting them into the scalp for hair restoration to help stimulate new hair growth, or we can actually inject them. One of my favorite treatments is injecting under the eyes for tear troughs. Filler under the eyes is, of course, always an option. That's great, but I honestly prefer PRP for under the eyes when treating the tear trough hollowness because number one, it's your own body. It's natural. It's not going to migrate. It's not going to be lumpy, bumpy. Your own body already has those growth factors and it's going to stimulate that tissue loss and help with the crepey skin, the skin laxity, all right there around the eyes. And then the best is to do a series of 3 PRP sessions spaced 4 to 6 weeks apart, just to keep that collagen growth and stimulation going.
So in order to separate the plasma from the blood, we put it into a centrifuge, which spins it for 3 minutes at a high rate. And then you get the liquid gold or the plasma on the top, and then the blood goes to the bottom. And then that way you can easily extract it and then put it on the patient.
So PRP is a pretty quick treatment. So typically if a patient comes in for a consult, we have time that same day to go ahead and start their treatment. Because it's just a quick blood draw. We take some before and after photos. We can numb the area. And then aftercare, there's not a whole lot of downtime. Of course, you might be sore, maybe, of course, possibly bruising, swellness from any injection area. And then if you are doing it with a microneedling treatment, of course, you're going to have the downtime of a couple days with that treatment as well.
I'm sure you guys have heard of the vampire facial, and that is what I did like a month ago. And basically we do the RF microneedling, and so you're putting those little channels, micro channels into the skin. And so that way you don't have to inject the PRP serum. You can just like rub it topically on, and then it goes into those channels. And so that's how you can get the better results and the faster recovery.
So the reason why we love to pair PRP with our laser services like RF microneedling is because that RF microneedling is already making those little microchannels into your skin. So your skin is basically open and just wanting those growth factors in. So then we topically just apply the PRP on top of those microchannels so that it goes deep into your skin layers to help stimulate that collagen and elastin to help boost and elevate your results. You were a little guinea pig and you did microneedling by itself, and then you did RF microneedling with the PRP. And just tell us kind of what you noticed.
So I'd say the biggest difference was the healing time, my downtime. So RF microneedling without the PRP, I don't know, maybe up to like a week. And then with the PRP, only a few days. So just a lot faster in the healing process. And so then I could go out and live my normal life a lot sooner.
It's awesome. Yeah, because the PRP has, again, all the growth factors, which growth factors helps with cell turnover and helps the healing process too. So you're going to heal quicker from all your aesthetic treatments. And of course, boost your results because the PRP has the collagen stimulators plus the RF microneedling collagen stimulators. So you just kind of elevate your treatment.
It's almost like you're going to the gym and then you're eating healthy and you're drinking your water, like you're that
Creatine, protein.
Yes. Instead of just going to the gym once and calling it good.
Yeah, exactly.
Pairing it up is the way to go.
Yeah. So people sometimes ask me how long does PRP last, and it doesn't really last a certain amount of time. It's more like rewinding the aging process, where filler, lasts 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. I can at least give some kind of answer with that. But PRP, it's not really a substance that's going to last in your body a certain amount of time. You're just kind of rewinding the aging process, getting rid of fine lines, wrinkles, stimulating that collagen and elastin. So that's why it's good to do a series of at least 3 treatments kind of back to back to keep that collagen stimulation going. So as a recap, you can use PRP to inject into the scalp to help with hair restoration, helps with thinning hair, hair loss, stress, induced hair loss. You can also inject PRP under the eyes, in the smile lines, anywhere that you would inject filler. You also could inject PRP or apply topically PRP with another aesthetic treatment for hyperpigmentation, for acne scars, for surgical scars to help stimulate the collagen and the elastin and help with the repair process. And also, since we are a primary care office, sometimes we do joint injections with PRPs. And again, it's going to help stimulate the collagen for that joint to help with the knee pain and any kind of tissue damage.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you are ready to schedule your first PRP, please call us, text us, let us know that you saw this video and you can get 20% off.
Hi, I'm Lisa, and this is Mandy. And again, we're with Specialty Wellness located in the Colony.
Bye, beauties.